When it comes to managing chronic kidney disease, one common myth persists: a large breakfast is essential for health. But what if smaller, more frequent meals could not only support your energy levels, but also align better with your kidney health? With that in mind, in today's lesson, we're going to do a deep dive on meal frequency and its impact on kidney health, why it matters, and I'll give you 5 actionable tips you can apply immediately to help you manage your CKD and avoid dialysis. Enhancing CKD diets with flavor and nutrition. Key point 1. Focus on smaller portions. Eating smaller meals can help prevent the post-meal fatigue often associated with large breakfasts. Number 1. Why this matters. Many with kidney disease struggle with energy levels, especially after consuming heavy meals. Smaller portions can stabilize blood sugar and energy, crucial for maintaining an active lifestyle. Number 2. How you can apply this immediately. Start your day with smaller, nutrient-dense options instead of a heavy breakfast. Think yogurt paired with berries or oatmeal with a sprinkle of cinnamon. Key point 2. Nutrient control is key. Managing the intake of potassium, phosphorus, and sodium is vital for those with CKD. Number 1. Why this matters. Too much of these nutrients can strain your kidneys, making dietary adherence crucial. Number 2. How you can apply this immediately. Check the labels on your breakfast ingredients to ensure they adhere to your kidney health guidelines. Key point 3. Diverse breakfast choices. Embrace variety to keep your meals interesting and nutrient-dense. Number 1. Why this matters. A well-rounded diet can help you meet your nutritional needs while keeping taste and enjoyment in the equation. Number 2. How you can apply this immediately. Use the Kidney Safe Breakfast Recipe Generator to find new recipes based on your favorite ingredients. Key point 4. Consistent meal timing. Eating at regular intervals keeps your metabolism active and stable. Number 1. Why this matters. A consistent eating schedule can help with energy management, preventing extreme fluctuations in blood sugar and feelings of fatigue. Number 2. How you can apply this immediately. Set a timer on your phone to remind you to eat a small meal or healthy snack every 2 to 3 hours throughout your day. Key point 5. Listen to your body. Everyone's needs are different. Pay attention to how you feel after meals. Number 1. Why this matters. Understanding your body's responses helps you refine what works best for your unique situation. Number 2. How you can apply this immediately. Keep a food journal today, jotting down what you eat and how you feel afterward. This will help identify any patterns. Just like what the co-founder of Renal Tracker always reminds our patients within the community is that you can manage your CKD. So to summarize, the 5 key points we discussed are: focus on smaller portions, ensure nutrient control, embrace diverse breakfast choices, maintain consistent meal timing, and listen to your body. In your journey to manage CKD, understanding these nutritional insights can transform how you approach meals. With tools like the Kidney Safe Breakfast Recipe Generator, figuring out what to eat becomes easier and more enjoyable. By adopting these strategies, you step closer to a healthier lifestyle that not only supports your kidneys, but keeps your energy levels balanced, helping you thrive. See you next week. To the best of your kidney health.